Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today, I brought you some amazing gadgets. In this video I will show you some smart watches, smart caps, and spy detectors. You just stay till the end and don't forget to comment your favorite gadget in this amazing gadget journey. So, I am they of you are seeing Technical They of channel. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 5. OnePlus watch. Guys, nowadays, most of the people are looking for a watch, which have amazing smart features like your smartphones and amazing stylish look. So, if you are looking for like that amazing smart watches, then this is for you. If we look at this watch, it has many advanced features like your smartphone. This watch not only provides you time, but also fast charging capacity, which is completely charged within 20 minutes. It also provided with various sport modes, which helps you to track your activated modes. This watch also have a feature that checks your heartbeat and as well as your oxygen levels. You can also make a call and lift the call using this smart watch. So guys, this watch is mainly useful for busy scheduled people. If you want this amazing gadget, link in the description, and don't forget to hit the like button. Number 4. Zeroi hat with Bluetooth. Guys, many of you use cap every day, and most of you get an idea to have cap with special features. So guys, I brought you an amazing gadget for the people who are looking for smart and stylish cap. If we look at this gadget, it has a special feature that can connect with Bluetooth technology. This cap contains inbuilt speakers and microphones which works using Bluetooth. By looks it may visible like an ordinary cap, but it has 4 bone conduction speakers near the ear that provides you pleasant music during your work time. You can also make calls and lift calls using this cap, and it also has small battery that provides power to the cap. So, this gadget may help you when you are in a gym or in a work. If you want this gadget, link in the description. Number 3. Cross helmet. Guys, we all use helmets during driving for security purpose. If you are looking for a gadget which provides you security and other smart features, then this is for you. Guys, by looks it may visible like an ordinary helmet, but it has some advanced features which provides you extra safety during your ride. It has powerful back cameras that help you to see the vehicles at the back. This helmet is also provided with a microphone, which helps you to call to a person without disturbing your amazing ride. If you love to listen music during riding, it also provides that facility. It has a sensitive touchpad, which is useful to control whole helmet. If you want this amazing helmet, link in the description. And don't forget to hit the like button. Number 2. Black Hornet Nano UAV. Guys, you may see so many drones that are useful for home delivery and also for capturing videos. I brought you a gadget by looking that you are amazed. If you are looking for a drone which has small size and better controlling system, then this is for you. Due to its mini size, you can use this drone for security operations. If you want to chase a person or want to know about someone secretly, then this drone may help you. The design of this drone is very small, which helps the drone to move in any small routes. It weighs about 18 grams, which helps you to carry easily and comfortably. This drone can be controlled within 1.5 kilometer range, which helps you to complete secret operations easy. If you like this gadget, link in the description. And don't forget to comment your feeling on this drone. Number 1. Spy Finder Pro Hidden Camera Detector. Guys, nowadays hidden camera technology is improving and they are becoming very small. Some of you faced problem due to hidden camera in a dressing room or in a hotel room. So, to fix this problem I brought you a gadget that helps you to find spy hidden cameras around you. It is a mini gadget that contains 6 infrared LED lights, which blink during its work. It contains a hole between this LED lights. You just simply see through this hole. You can find any spy cameras around you easily. Due to its small size, you can carry anywhere you want for your security purpose. If you like this amazing gadget, link in the description. If you like the video, please like it and comment your favorite gadget in the comment section. If you want to get updates of latest gadgets and latest technology, subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because when I upload video in the future you will be notified. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.